Hey Monkey Boo, are you excited? Alright, today we have a eating video for Monkey Boo, and Monkey had to keep that on, Boo. This is the perfect fruit for Monkey Boo. We have some star fruit. Wait, not the little pieces, those are for Happy. Some star fruit, try it, Boo. Look, Happy, I got you a little piece, look. Right here. Here. Have you guys ever had star fruit before? What do you think about it, Boo? Is it good? What you think, Happy? You like it? How is it? I cut some little pieces up for Happy. Boo went for them too. It's star fruit. You see Boo's necklace? So I've actually never had star fruit myself. Let's try some. That is some tasty star fruit. I don't know if you guys have ever tasted this before. It's kind of like a green apple taste, kind of. What do you think, Boo? It's very, very juicy. What do you think, Happy? You like it? Happy, I think you just like to play with it and make a mess. You like it, Boo? Yeah. Is it yummy? Boo seems to be enjoying it. He's like, quit, Happy. Nice move, Boo. You got a sticky wet tail, Happy. We look at you with your gold chain on, eating star fruit. You're just one cool little monkey, aren't you? Yeah. Way to go, Boo. Say, hold up, Happy. You're a good boy, Boo. Boo's not sharing it with his little brother, Happy. Here, look, you got your own piece here, right here. See? Monkey star fruit fun. Yeah. That's a good boy. You like it? A lot? Boo said to tell you guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, right? Did you like it? He's Happy to slap Boo in the face with a piece of star fruit. That wasn't very nice, Happy. Boo, you're such a nice brother. Happy, you're a little mess. But we love him. Ain't that right, Boo? Yeah. All right, Boo. You got a kiss for me? Oh, that's a good boy.
Thinking about that. Now he's got fruit teeth, little sharp guys to break the skin of this, but I don't think he knows how yet. So, yeah, there's an edge there, bro. Get off me. All right, so we are gonna just cut it a little bit. Let's cut like a little V in there. We'll get him a little wedge out. Should I do the wedge or should I do the whole grape? Let's let Ollie decide. Which one are you thinking about, bro? Which one? Oh, you gonna get the noise making one? Is that what you're doing? Come here. Come on. Come on. Check that out. Who's that in there? Here we go. Is that all? What you tell kid? You wanna play? Who's that? You wanna see those? Go ahead. Check them out. Don't eat that. So what these are, guys, I got these in a Halloween box. If you go to Monkey Boo's channel and watch his latest mail video, you'll see that I got a little basket, a little pumpkin basket in there for Ollie. And these came in it. And they seem pretty healthy. There's only 5 ingredients. They're pea crisps, like hot fries but with peas. And there's no sugar, and it's very looks legit. 3 grams protein, a little fat, no chemicals, no artificial colors or flavors, non-GMO, gluten-free, organic. So we'll try these out. Oliver seems interested. He might just like the bag because of the sounds. Guess that don't. Hey guys, Monkey Boo and Pete here, and today we're about to let Boo hunt for his Easter eggs. You ready to hunt some eggs, Boo? Look, I see one right there, Boo. Look, look. Oh boy, you not gonna put it in your bucket and see what you got later? What's in it? Oh goodness, looks like some craziness. Let's keep looking for some more. What's in there? Oh, what is that? Some pineapple. Yummy. That was a good egg. Let me just put it in here, bud. Here, put it in here. Drop it in there. Drop it in there. Let's see if we can find some more. Come on. That was a trick egg. That wasn't nothing in it, really. Yeah, there's another one right there. Open it up. You want to find one that don't have raisins, don't you, Boo? Look, you run right past one. Look right here. Oh, look, Boo. More pineapple. Yummy. You like it? Put your egg in here. Put it in here. Put it in there. Good boy. You don't like the raisin eggs anymore? More? Well, you love raisins. I'm going to save them for you. What you got? Oh, we found one with a grape. Oh boy, on my shoulder. Is it good? Do you like hunting the Easter eggs? Huh? I think that's all of them. You got plenty of raisins.